Hi, this is New Day Physio's Care and Cure. It is located in Malleswaram, 5th Cross, Circle. Exactly, it is very close by the circle, the service road at the corner of Silk Showroom, Kanjiko Sweta Silks. Exactly down the showroom, it is a New Day Physio's Care and Cure over here. Easy to find out the place. I have got recently, around 14 days ago, Mr. Shoban. He is living in towards airport, new airport, Dodbellapur Aerodrome. From here to there, it is traveling around 1 hour 15 minutes. So he came for the shoulder treatment. When I was working in Dr. Verma clinic, there is a person, um, Palaksha, Mr. Palaksha. He came to the treatment to the Dr. Verma. He had a surgery of his right elbow and index finger also. During Corona time, he had a injury on the index finger. So doctor has given for the surgery to him. So he came for the post-op the treatment, post traumatic stiffness treatment. He came for the treatment to the clinic. So he's very friendly person. His colleague is Mr. Shoban. So Mr. Palaksha guided him to take the treatment from here. So he came here with the confident I will clear his issue. He had a left periarthritis shoulder. My assume it will be, he is suffering with around 8 to 9 months I believe, or beyond that. But the pain is, he is saying, around 4 to 5 months he is suffering with the pain. But before that he is getting the mild the stiffness. He couldn't feel it much, or his work, so he didn't realize that. But he had taken the treatment from his area, the two doctors, but they have given the protocol for only for 5 days. Only for 5 days of physiotherapy, it won't improve much. The person has to realize the treatment, feel of the treatment. It takes 3 to 4 days with the machine treatment. After that only they can feel the little bit in the development. So he had only 5 days in the physiotherapy. He didn't advise for one doctor advised ultrasound and IFT. The IFT and ultrasound is not a complete protocol. So when the person is taking hot water fomentation, either moist heat bag or the fomentation, then only the pain can reduce, because this problem is in the joint and as well as the muscle. So the rotatory cuff muscle affected little badly. Then supraspinatus also, the scapular muscle. So the internal rotation also very stubborn. So now it is little bit got the improvement. So and then external rotation also very hard. It has to improve little more the external rotation. Internal rotation much more better. So he can manage with the hand, the shoulder, with the exercise. The next week Monday or Wednesday, he may meet the doctor. So already I discussed with my master, with my boss. So he said, if it is very stubborn, then you can send him here. Then I need to clear with the physiotherapy. If it is not, I couldn't clear the issue, then I will send here, I said, because I have lots of confidence on my the own way of practice. So he also cooperated very well with the treatment. So 12 days of mobilization, I have done first and second degree the mobilization. So he is getting much more better, but even then he has to meet the doctor as more clear, good. So, next week he will going to meet the doctor. Thank you. He had the problem first degree of periarthritis shoulder. Second degree means the person when the person is getting any injury, any accidental issue, after sometimes he is not treating properly or neglecting himself, so the problem will be severe. It will be frozen shoulder, it may. So previous on September month I got one person, same issue, but he fell down and supraspinatus tendon tear also. So then rotatory cuff muscle the problem. So I have done the therapy 14 session. The person doesn't want to take the physiotherapy at home for the exercise therapy. So I have done here modalities: ultrasound, IFT, moist heat, mobilization, exercise. Dr. Verma only recommend the treatment to take here. So I have done the modalities according to his protocol. So he got the maximum remedy. So he got a full range also. So the only thing, moist heat, whenever the person is taking at the clinic is different, at home is different. By the time traveling time, and again if I do the motion, I miss the moist heat. So the again stubborn, the feeling of tightness. So if I do it at the clinic, is the improvement is little different. So I wish to buy new machine. I am waiting for the opportunity. I need more people support. So then only I can invest the machine, the cost. So that will be useful for the people. Anyway, he is very cooperative patient. So he achieved very polite and soft nature. So according to him, I have done the therapy. It should not hurt him. So however I can handle him in a nice way, I believe. Thank you so much.